to Unlocked. Today we're looking at the Borg ECP Easicode Pro narrow style digital combination lock. This is a great option for locksmiths and installers working on UPVC, composite and aluminium doors with multi-point locking systems. We've all been on those jobs where a customer wants coded access, but the door style is too narrow for a standard digital lock. That's where the BL6100 ECP comes in. It has a slim, narrow style body with a single column 8-button keypad, making it a practical choice where space on the door is limited. The big benefit here is retrofit. The ECP is made to suit 90mm and 92mm centered multi-point locks, with 195mm fixing center, so it can replace many standard lever handle arrangements without turning the job into something bigger than it needs to be. It also has a 325mm expansion plate and a 70-degree handle rotation, giving the movement needed to operate many multi-point locking mechanisms. Now let's talk about Easicode Pro. With Borg's Easicode Pro system, the code can be changed directly on the door. There's no need to remove the keypad or strip down to the coding chamber, which saves time on site and makes code changes much more convenient for the customer. The double button press feature gives more code options too, as individual buttons can be used twice within the same code. Another nice feature is the free turning external handle. Until the correct code is entered, the handle offers no resistance. That helps protect the lock and the multi-point mechanism from forced operation. The unit is reversible, so it can be fitted to left or right-handed doors and is suitable for internal and external use. There is also a free passage mode, which is useful for doors that need controlled access at some times and open access at others. So where does it fit? Think staff entrances, office doors, storerooms, communal areas, workshops, light commercial sites and anywhere that needs keyless access without replacing the full multi-point lock setup. To recap, narrow style body, 8-button keypad, Easicode Pro on-door code change, 90 and 92mm multi-point lock compatibility, reverse handing, passage mode and a free turning external handle. For locksmiths and installers, the Borg BL6100 ECP is a smart retrofit option when you need code access on multi-point doors. Take a look at the ECP in action at Aldridge Security. That's it for this episode of Unlocked. Please like and subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.